Now that we have this part, I want to go into details because these are phases. I want to also include the activities. One, okay. So project idea is 1, feasibility study is 2, plan phase is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, okay? And I have this activity 1, 1. Here I want this one. The format of this is text. So I'm going to type here 1.1. So I'm not affected by this. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag this like this. Okay, then I'm gonna format this so I can format all this and all this. Okay, this one I'm going to indent. If you remember, you can also indent the content of a cell. You can do this if you follow also my previous courses. And then here I'm going to do this 1, 2, 3. Then we get activity 2, 1. I want to be basically very generic. It's not a course about project management. I want you ready to understand. Word breakdown structure. And here we have 3.1. One, 2. T 3.2. Okay. Then here I'm going to 4.1. Okay, and then I have activity 4.1. One 4 5.1 5.2. Again, I can also copy these two. Okay, here we are. Now I'm going to select Control, click. Okay, now I'm going to increase a bit. Okay, I'm gonna put this in bold. Of this area in dates, from cells, date. Okay, and then here is this column width. Okay, repeat the last operation, which is column width equal to 4. So that I'm going to do this. Again, you can do whatever you want here. Now we are going to do the following here. I will show here this area marked as in a Gantt chart. So for example, you see this, we have a Gantt chart. The end. I'm going to show this, and according to this, I'm going to put this here. I will add a new column when I show the progress of this. We see that later here. According to the start date and end date, I'm going to do this. Say that this starts this date, June the 3rd. Okay, can do with the duration. I can also do this following. Six, 7, 2, 3. Okay, this one is also 3. This one is 5 days. Just maybe it's more than this, but so I'm going to then reduce the duration so that we can see here what's going on. Okay, it's a lot here. We can also do like 2, 3. Okay, so the end is equal to to this plus this. If I want to make them dependent, I'm going to type this here, and this is equal to this plus this. Okay, so this one starts when this finish, and this one 3 days after. I'm going to do it like this. Okay,